This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your environment. Check Python version and that the SSL module imports cleanly. Once done, fetch the server certificate or the CA bundle you plan to trust and save it as a PEM file. Make a decision. Use the System Trust Store for broad validation or pin a specific. PEM for stricter control. You'll need file paths and permissions correct. Set read access and note where your application will reference that file next. Next, create a verification context and load the CA or bundle so the chain can be validated. For example, use SSL. Create default context. Purpose equals SSL, purpose. Server auth, then call context. Load verify locations, cafile equals ca, PEM to add your CA, make sure context. Check hostname is true and context. Verify mode equals SSL. Cert required so Python enforces both. Finalize by testing with both OpenSSL and your Python client. Run OpenSSL client connect host, 443 show certs and then a requests. Get. Verify equals ca, PEM to compare behavior. If errors persist, inspect the certificate chain for expired certs, hostname mismatches, or missing intermediate certificates which often cause failures. Make sure time on the client is correct. If you still get errors, enable verbose SSL debug, logging in your app, and review the exact verify failure. That single error message will point you to the corrective step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.